at least we now have an idea how much it would cost us if we're wanting to buy stable coins directly on our MetaMask, okay, using Gcash. And what we're going to do right now is to explore the option on how we can buy or how we can get MetaMask USD. So MetaMask USD is the stablecoin version of MetaMask. Okay, so under cash we can click on Get MUSD, and by the way, we can see here it automatically displays the current exchange rate between the Philippine peso and the US dollars. Okay, so for example, let's try and input uh, a small amount of money. Let's say we want to buy 500 peso worth of MUSD stablecoin. Okay, so this is how it will look like if your region or country is located in the Philippines. This is in Asia. Okay, amount 500 pesos. Update payment method. We have here available options in the Philippines: GCash, debit or credit card. It's either Visa or MasterCard, Google Pay, Maya. Maya is formerly PayMaya. So, mobile money, GCash, and InstaPay. Okay. So, let's click on Get Quotes. Fetching quotes. Let's wait for MetaMask to think. Okay, we're prompted with the error, no providers available. Okay, try choosing a different payment method, or we can see here, try to increase or reduce the amount you want to buy. And then we have an option to click on Try Again. So, if we're going to increase 500 pesos. Okay. For real-time time and motion reference, guys, for visual, to be more accurate, we entered the 500 Philippine pesos earlier. That's only $8.25 right now as of the date and time of our recording. Before, usually, Philippine peso, the exchange rate between the Philippine peso and the US dollar hovers around $1 is equal to around the 50 pesos to 55 pesos, and now it's na up to 60.64. So the inflation rate is really worsening yearly. Okay, and I'm definitely not happy about it. I just want to say or express my dismay with the corrupt Philippine government that we have. Okay, they're terribly hopeless, and if you're a parent like me who's struggling at work, making sure that we make both ends meet every day, I would say cryptocurrency is the only existing innovation in the planet that can help uh, normal Filipino citizens like us. Okay, so I'm really sorry if I raised my tone of voice. I'm just really not impressed with the Philippine government. So I'm just really concerned, and what I'm trying to say is that we need to be more creative in finding ways on how we can improve our financial state, not only for ourselves but definitely for the sake of our family and loved ones. Okay, that uh, anyway, if you're into the cryptocurrency space, yes, you can be emotional, but always stay level-headed because cryptocurrency is still risky. You'll also need to learn risk management when you engage into cryptocurrency, and make sure that we will only uh, deposit or invest money we can afford to lose. Okay, so if we're going to increase our exchange rate to, let's say, 1,000 pesos, that would be now $16. Okay, let's see if 1,000 peso will let us buy MUSD, stable coin. Okay, it's still considering 1,000 peso a small amount. Okay, Okay, so I'll select a USDC, and then, oh, okay, so the minimum deposit amount is 700 pesos. So there you go. So if we wish to buy stable coins on MetaMask, well, in this example, we tried USDC on the Binance Smart Chain. So this is a USDC Binance Peg stable coin. Okay, so we tried 700 pesos, and then payment method will be GCash. Fetching quotes. It's not letting me buy. Okay, so I tried to increase the amount up to 5,000 pesos, for example. And then let's click on get quotes. Okay, there you go. So it's letting us buy if it's a large amount. So best rate on ramper. Okay, on ramp. Continue with on ramp dot money. But this is showing me a significant amount. I what I'm trying to say is that from 5,000 pesos we only saw about 4,800 plus. So you can just imagine how high is the fee. Okay? So you're only what you're only after here is to buy stable coins so that you can allocate and buy Bitcoin and other altcoins. But just by simply depositing or buying directly on MetaMask, which is wherein your buying option is also linked to another third party application, on ramp.money. It appears that this is not this is not an option for me. Okay, I wouldn't proceed on this one. I just tested it for uh, educational purposes and time and motion. So at least we now have an idea how much it would cost us if we're wanting to buy stable coins directly on our MetaMask, okay, using Gcash. And so for me, it's just something that's good to know. Anyway, disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrency, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Thank you.